Hey everybody, it's Tony Serrano, Field Marketing Manager here at Sandalwood Village in Naples, Florida. And today I'm going to show you our Seville apartment home. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it's 631 square feet. And you guessed it, this is our last one available currently right now. It is move-in ready, and I'm going to show you right now. So as soon as you walk in from your main door, you walk right into your kitchen. So ample counter space, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances as usual. So you have all the usual suspects: dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, and microwave. And conveniently located right over here is your stackable washer and dryer. So that's right, all those appliances that I named are covered by us, including all your maintenance, light bulbs, air filters, pest control. It's a worry-free lifestyle. We take care of that for you. So as you move out of your kitchen, right over here, you do have a nice little coat closet for some extra storage. Put your vacuums, your brooms, anything else you can put in there. So this opens up right into your main living area. So right over here, you can put a nice little bistro table, which flows openly over here to your living room area. Easily fit a couch right there, coffee table. You would put your TV right up against this wall. Put entertainment center. Of course, you can wall mount your TVs, which is a great thing, and it's a great space saver as well. Go right outside to your screened-in lanai. So again, screened in, put some patio furniture out here. Of course, you got a view of the community, see what's going on. From there, we'll take a look at your bathroom. So we'll walk right in and we'll take a look at your walk-in shower. We have some grab bars. We can add some more in there for you. You have a nice big vanity there that rolls right into your bedroom. So you have a full-size bedroom here. Really good size. You can easily get a queen bed right there with your 2 nightstands. This long wall right here will easily fit a dresser. And then you have some wall space over here as well too. Finally, you do have a closet. Ample space to put your clothes and some more storage as well too. But once again, it is our Seville apartment home. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's the last one we have here. It's only $19.75 a month. Make sure you call us, schedule your tour with Lanai. Better yet, go to sandalwoodvillage.com, put in that application. That's the surest way to get the apartment. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.